guava leaves, often overshadowed by the fruit itself, have been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries due to their impressive health benefits. Recent scientific studies have further illuminated the potential advantages of incorporating guava leaves into one's diet, particularly through the practice of chewing them. This article explores the various health benefits of chewing guava leaves, supported by research findings. Nutritional composition: guava leaves are packed with essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as several B vitamins, which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. Additionally, guava leaves contain important minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. The leaves are also abundant in antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which are known to combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oral health benefits: one of the most significant benefits of chewing guava leaves is their positive impact on oral health. Research has shown that guava leaves possess strong antimicrobial properties that can help combat the bacteria responsible for dental plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. The astringent qualities of guava leaves may also aid in reducing inflammation and promoting healing in the gums. Regularly chewing guava leaves can contribute to better oral hygiene and potentially prevent various dental issues. Digestive health support: guava leaves have been linked to improved digestive health, making them a beneficial addition to the diet. They are rich in dietary fiber, which supports regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. Additionally, studies indicate that guava leaf extracts can alleviate diarrhea by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. Chewing guava leaves may also stimulate digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient absorption and overall digestive efficiency. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties: the high antioxidant content in guava leaves is a key factor in their health benefits. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Research has demonstrated that guava leaf extracts exhibit strong antioxidant activity, making them a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. By chewing guava leaves, individuals can harness these antioxidants, which may help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Blood sugar regulation: emerging research suggests that guava leaves may play a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies have indicated that guava leaf extracts can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The leaves contain compounds that inhibit carbohydrate absorption, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or seeking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, incorporating guava leaves into the diet may prove beneficial. Weight management support: for individuals looking to manage their weight, guava leaves may offer additional support. The fiber content in guava leaves promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help curb excessive eating. Additionally, some studies have suggested that guava leaf extracts may reduce fat accumulation, making them a potential aid in weight management efforts. Incorporating guava leaves into a balanced diet may help individuals achieve their weight-related goals more effectively. Conclusion: chewing guava leaves presents a multitude of health benefits, from enhancing oral health and supporting digestion to regulating blood sugar levels and aiding in weight management. The impressive nutritional profile and antioxidant properties of guava leaves make them a valuable addition to a health-oriented lifestyle. As with any dietary changes or natural remedies, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly for those with underlying health conditions or who are taking medications. By incorporating guava leaves into a balanced diet, individuals can leverage the remarkable health benefits of this often overlooked part of the guava plant and promote their overall well-being.